Hey guys, so today I'm going to review about two products which I have lately purchased, and this is Lakme 9 to 5 foundation and Lakme 9 to 5 compact powder. Okay, um, Lakme 9 to 5, as the name says, it's like when you apply this foundation, it gives you a nice flawless finish, and it remains on your skin, on your face for around it claims that it's there on your face around 6 to 7 hours, 9 to 5. And yes, it does its work very easily. And let's talk about first the packaging of it. This is in a glass bottle, a beautiful glass bottle, and it is. I have the shade by the name of Pearl. If you can see, it's under the name of Pearl, and I have purchased it for 575 rupees, and in this is the lid and a beautiful goldenish lid of this bottle, and this is quite handy. You can carry it in your purse also, and it opens. And okay, I have this foundation on my hand, and I have this foundation brush, and let me just swatch it for you. It it gives a nice it blends up very nicely with your skin. I don't know how to, like this. See, it blends very nicely. It is really very smooth. It blends very nicely, and it gets into your skin very easily. When you apply it with the foundation brush, see, you can see the effect of it on my hand. It gets blended very well, so it's like I have it's on my half of the hand. It's like really blended well, and the half of it is without it. You can not tell much difference, but yeah, still you can see it's like really highlighted, and, this is not. So it blends really very easily onto your skin. It gives you a very nice smooth finish, and it remains on your skin for about, say, not 7 to 8 hours, like not 9 to 5, but it just remains on your skin for quite a decent time. If you are wearing it and you have gone out for shopping, or say even to the office also, it will remain till 4, 3:30, like this. You don't have to do touch-ups and all that stuff. And a very nice product, and for 575 it's like very good. I have purchased it for 575 only, without any discount, because I have purchased it online, though I have purchased it online, but without any discount. And okay, it the ingredients are not mentioned over here. No ingredients are mentioned, only the shade is mentioned. And very nice sleek bottle. I really like the bottle, and but the so this is quite decent kind of product. And next is 9 to 5 compact, and this is under the shade melon matte. And it says, with a unique oil absorbing formula that gives you a matte and flawless look throughout the day, infused with vitamin E to condition your skin. And yes, this is the it's not a round kind of thing. It's a little like a drop, like it gives you the shape of a drop kind of cover, and it opens up like this, and it has got this it has this uh, puff in it, and this puff, and then there's this transparent what do you call this, transparent sheet, you can say. And this is actually the compact. You can see this is actually the compact. This is melon shade, and I like this puff, but not much. Like it's like very thin. It's really very thin, and you just dab a little powder and you apply it on your skin. You apply it on your skin, and it gives you a very nice finishing touch. Yes, it says that it is oil absorbing and it is matte. It is oil absorbing and it is matte. It do gives you a matte kind of finish. I have applied this on my face right now, and as you can check out in the other video which I have done just now of little the budgeting the budgeting makeup with this little smoky eyes, and in that video I have applied both of the products, and yes, it does give you a matte effect. It will be on your skin for a decent time. And yes, I like this compact. I really love this compact. It is a very nice product. And guys, so these are the two products I have reviewed in this video, and both the products are very nice. I will recommend these two products to you, and yeah, that's it. And so guys, please take care of yourself, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe the video. Also, you can apply these two products on your face and you can check it out. I would recommend these products to you. But yes, the products which I have reviewed, it's according to my skin, according to my skin tone. And if by chance you are using some kind of product that doesn't suits you, so please don't use that product. And this is my suggestion to you. Please don't use that product which doesn't suit your skin. And my product reviews are entirely based on the product used on my skin. So guys, do subscribe and please take care of yourself. Till next time.